Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up e-delivery of Vanguard tax forms. Open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the top right part of the screen. Click on the option that says Profile and Account Settings. Once you're on this page, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see a section for Mail Preferences. Under Mail Preferences, you will see an option for Delivery Settings. Click on Delivery Settings. On this page, you will see an option for Customize Mailing Preferences. Click on Customize Mailing Preferences. Now here, you will see a section for tax forms. As you can see, the delivery preference is on US mail. To set up e-delivery, click on the radio button under e-delivery, beside the tax forms section. Then, click on Submit. And now you will see a message saying that they have updated your mailing preferences. You'll start receiving your tax forms via e-delivery. That's how you set up e-delivery of Vanguard tax forms. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.